Do that. You do fast, Lewis.
I know what you're coming after, little girl.
Really?
Oh Lord, I can't even do it now. Oops, let's record Cat. Tell Cat, say wah 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 wah.
Oh. Hey, Lewis. Hey, Lewis. Hey, Lewis. Hey. Say hey.
Look, Cat's doing it for you.
Hey, Lewis.
Look,
Hey,
look,
Lewis.
Cat's in there. Look,
Hey,
Cat's in there.
Lewis. Say hello. 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 You can say hello. Hello. I heard you say it twice.
Oh.
Say hello.
She says hello.
Hello. She said it twice. She doesn't. She says it when she wants to say it. Hello.
Look, she's leaning over me to see you.
Say hello.
Lily.
Hello.
Go meet brother.
Lily.
She said hello the first time we were in the bathtub, and Mikey follows us wherever we go. And she popped up from the bathtub. Where'd she go? And Mikey was right there, and she saw him. She did hello, and then they don't believe me. It was just me and her in there. And then
I heard you say it though.
Whenever we went to Target last
Mimi,
weekend,
stop
was it last
videoing
weekend?
No,
Last weekend, a couple of weekends ago, we went to Target, and she was standing up in the back of the basket, and we were going into the baby clothes, and this girl was hanging up. A worker was hanging up clothes, and we turned the corner, and she was right there in the way, and the girl said hello, and Lil said hello.
Oh, cute.
What that woman said.
She said, oh! I said, nobody believed me that she said it, and now somebody else heard her say it. She's like, well, she surely said hello. Them big teeth.
She says it clear.
He's biting me. Yeah, it was clear. And then I'm telling Maddie. Let me kiss. It's like she said sister one time, and she never said it again.
She said sister?
Yeah. She said sister. Sister. Catherine met us up in the hall, and we were unloading groceries.
Y'all lift her. I can't lift her.
We were unloading groceries.
Oh, Mimi's so